In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a light cone to shoot objects at a straight-on angle. So you have three angles in product photography. You have top-down, you have 45-degree angle, then you have straight-on. Obviously, the light cone has the opening hole on top, so its intended use is really to shoot objects at a top-down angle, which is great for objects that are flat, but what if something is like this, and when you put it down, it rolls, and maybe you just want to shoot it up, and maybe you want to shoot it together with this little bottle, like this, at a straight-on angle. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the bottom buttons, and you're just going to leave the top one closed. And that's going to create an opening, like a little teepee over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a light. I'm just going to light it from the side. Now I could get a little more sophisticated and add another light over there. But we're just gonna, just for the sake of showing you how this is done, we're gonna just use one light, and we're gonna place this in here, and we're gonna snap a picture. Okay, so right off the bat, the results are looking really good. I'm gonna take away the light cone just to show you how this would look without a cone. Okay, and that'll give you an idea of the lighting without the cone. Now, obviously, if the cone is going to be opened over here and you're going to have something reflective in there, it's going to pick up whatever is in front of it. So there are ways to avoid this. You could move the product around within the cone, and you could play around with different positions and different angles to avoid that reflection in front of you.
And you can see very clearly here what happens as I move the angle of the camera. Look at those reflections going away.
I'm going to try now this product here, which has a gold shiny top. And again, right off the bat, that looks really, really good. Also, having a little bit of a reflection in the front of these types of products actually looks natural. And if you look at a lot of professional images on these types of products, you'll see that it'll have some sort of reflection in the front that a lot of times they intentionally create so it looks more natural. Now I'm going to focus on the 45-degree angle, and I'm going to do it with these gold hoop earrings. I'm just going to kind of scatter them around, and we'll take a picture without the cone. By the way, it's not bad. If you want that type of look, if you're looking for those strong reflections, I think that's really great. But if you're not, then the cone will be your tool. Now look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, this is just with one light. Very simple lighting setup. That's what top down would look like. And there you have it. This is how to use the light cone straight on or at a 45-degree angle. Now, I'm not gonna say this is gonna work for every single use case, but this will work for a lot. And it'll definitely give you the ability to use it in a lot of situations with a lot of products that you may have previously thought you weren't able to. Make sure to follow along and subscribe because we have more content coming your way. And drop a comment if you have any questions or if you have a suggestion on a video you want to see in the future.